Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming hardware and plan. Make sure your Samsung model supports NR, 5G, and your carrier provisioning allows it. Once done, update system and carrier settings so the modem firmware and APN match. If you plan to force 5G only, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging now. You'll need this for a DB commands. Do not skip backups. Modem changes can drop service and you'll want a restore point. Next, try the simplest path. Settings right arrow connections, right arrow mobile networks, right arrow network mode, and select any 5G only choice if present. This is the safest method. If the UI lacks it, open service mode or use ADB. Connect the phone to a PC, authorize debugging, then run the modem network type command to set NR only. This forces the radio to use 5G rather than fallback. Use the vendor. Finish by rebooting and verifying the 5G icon and expected speeds. Run a quick speed test to confirm NR connection. If you lose data or service, immediately revert to the prior network mode or restore your backup profile. This returns the modem to known good settings. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode and reset the SIM, then check carrier provisioning. Most issues are SIM binding or carrier side blocks. If problems persist, contact carrier support with your modem firmware and IMEI.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.